I just want to address a couple things about the ban on abortion that Arizona just now implemented, and also why I believe that abortion bans are completely wrong, regardless of what your stance is about whether a child should be aborted or not. Which when a child is conceived, it's not a child until it's viable, until it has a brain, until it has a nervous system, till it has the um, organs that it takes to be considered a fully functioning human being. If a being is, or if a embryo or whatever is ejected from the body and it cannot survive, it's not officially a viable human being. It's not officially a child. But first off, why abortion bans are completely wrong, and they do far more harm than good. So, I was just now listening to a debate with a very clueless individual who doesn't believe in abortion, and a lady who had a very unfortunate circumstance happen to her. So, she had an issue with her pregnancy, and now keep in mind that if the doctors would have treated this, what occurred after this, after her initial problem, would not have transpired the way it did. So she had an issue because the doctors, even, and I believe this was in a state that didn't have a total ban, but just like some people argue that exceptions are not really exceptions because it hinders actually getting care. What happened was they was afraid to treat her issue because they was afraid of being prosecuted because of this, the law in that particular state. So what happened was she ended up becoming septic, and then by the time she was near death, she was finally treated because it was about ready to kill her. Her son was born. He died 5 minutes after he was delivered, and he would have survived had they treated her issue. But because of the abortion ban, it wasn't a complete one. It supposedly had some. I don't remember what state it was in. I didn't get the whole conversation, but I know that there was a ban. I don't know the extent of it. I know there apparently may have been some exceptions, but the doctors was afraid to actually treat her, so she almost died. Her son did die, that she wanted to carry. She wanted to have this child. Now, she can no longer have children, and she has heart damage because of an abortion ban, even with exceptions. These laws are causing bodily harm. They're causing more children to die from people who want to have those children. They're causing these laws are causing people who want to have children to lose their ability to have children. So being so rigid on being pro-life is causing more issues because these people are arguing for people to have more children. And what's happening? It's killing people who are getting pregnant who want to have children. It's killing women. It's basically maiming women. It's bodily giving. It's causing bodily injury to women, and that's why abortion should be legal. You hear all these claims from Republicans that about late-term abortions and all these lies. Like, they're killing babies when they come out of the womb, when they're born, like in 8, 9 months. That's absolutely not true. Late-term abortions are only done in extreme cases. They're only done when the baby is gone and dead, when it cannot survive outside the womb, and it's going to kill the mother. And both of those cases, the baby is going to die, whether or not it is left, in the womb or not. The baby's going to pass away. It's not going to survive. There's no instance, and I mean no instance, that a viable baby is aborted. That does not happen in the United States of America. It does not happen. Only non-viable fetuses are aborted. Only embryos are aborted, generally. Most abortions happen long before a baby's even close to being viable. Most of them are, most of them are around 6 weeks and 2 months. But, they're medicated. But, I actually was going to do the abortion law in Arizona, but I'm going to do that in another video. I'm just going to end this video right now, and I'll make a video right after this because I just don't want to make these videos too long. But I'll go into the Arizona abortion ban, and then after that I'll do another video about Donald Trump's lies about his stance on abortion. But that's all I'm going to go into for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice evening. Like and subscribe. Cherish your family. Thank you and goodbye.